Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thuvan for those that don't know, and today I'm gonna do a very exciting advent calendar unboxing. This is the unboxing of their Jet Set Glow advent calendar, and I'm super excited to show you guys because this is in fact a giveaway for you guys. So yes, you will be able to win everything that I'm gonna show you that's inside this box. And in here are full-size only skincare and makeup products. And also these are all Korean brands and they are like YesStyle's favorites. So I can't wait to see what's inside this box. And for more details about the giveaway, just check the description for how to enter, and good luck with the giveaway. So this is what the box looks like inside. There are 24 products inside here, and I think it has a value of over $400 and it retails for around $170. So let's just get through everything quickly so you can kind of get a feel of what's exactly inside here. And we're gonna just start with 1 up till 24, obviously. So here's 1. Okay, so this is the fake cleansing balm. And inside is obviously the balm. It's just this rose colored. And it smells really, really good. Ooh, this feels so fancy. I think this box is a really nice way to try out all these skincare and makeup products from Korea. Some people like to research their products, but not me. I don't like to do that. So I like to just get a box like this and just have everything already and just try it out from that point on, honestly. So the second product is this Reviving Rose Infusion Cream Cleanser. It has a vegan formula. It leaves the skin moisturized and smooth even after cleansing. A cleanser made with plant-derived ingredients. Third one. Ooh, there's mask. Ooh. I can't get it out. I can't get it out. Okay, so in the third one are masks, I think, if I'm correct. Oh no! Hydrogel eye and cheek patch. Oh my god, super cute. Oh my god, hydrogel eye and cheek patch. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is so fun. They come in a cooling formula that instantly refreshes your skin with much needed moisture. Rosa centifolia flower water and gold also help skin to maintain hydration and elasticity, so you look refreshed for every activity ahead. I never tried this, but oh my god, I'm excited. Oh, this is a small one. Better Than Eyes Music Series Dry Apple Blossom. Oh, this is an eye palette. Eyeshadow palettes with like these very nice basic colors, and you can never have too many basic shades in your collection. Then the fifth one is here. This is a Cell Energy Mask Formula. Troya Rook Cell Energy Mask Formula removes impurities softly. Okay, I think this is a mask. Number 6. Ooh, Claire's! Ooh, we got Claire's in here as well. Ooh, I like Claire's as a skincare brand. This is the Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. Antioxidants, rich watery oil, deep hydration, glowy complexion, and vegan friendly. Ooh, it looks very fancy. Definitely excited to try this one out. Because who doesn't like to be glowy? We all love to be glowy. Don't we? Okay, then number 7 is here. Ooh, I think this is a lip product. Moonshot Tint Fit Shine. A water coating tint that delivers pure volume shine. Yes. Moonshot, isn't that like very popular? Like a popular brand? I don't know. Ooh, yes. Okay, it's a lip tint and it's a lip product. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. You can never have too many lip products, honestly. Ooh, this looks fancy. Pyongyang Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream. Eye cream. Wow. It comes like in this container thing. This feels so fancy. I don't know if it's fancy, but it feels so fancy. Okay, so eye cream. We have eye cream in here. I definitely need that. I'm aging. I need eye cream. Oh, this one is packed. Okay, this. Ooh, foot peeling. Foot peeling. Oh, I've seen this on my friend. She used this and her whole foot started to peel, like the skin, the like old skin started to peel off, and then she had like baby feet. Food peeling mask that removes dead skin cells with AHA and moisturizes with Devil's Claw plant extracts. Ooh, what is this? It's a repair moisturizer that calms down sensitive skin rapidly. So this is another skincare product. Next one is 11. Ooh, what is this? McQueen New York Jewel Potent Eye Glitter. Ooh, makeup. Oh, wow. Okay, this shade. It's an eye glitter, so it's makeup. Then number 12 is... Ooh, mascara. Collagen Curling Fix Mascara. 13 is next to it. Okay, this is another skincare product which helps to energize your skin. It just looks like this and it's a gel for your face. 14. Waterproof, breathable, ultra thin, adhesion, invisible. Simple invisible spot care solution with Centella. 51 patches. Ooh, these are pimple patches. I love those. I used to use these when I was in Korea because I got like a huge breakout on my nose. 15. Ooh, this is heavy. Black Snail Restore Serum. Powerful skin restore, nourishing and lifting, brightening and wrinkle care. Okay, wrinkle care. I can use that. There's some really advanced skincare stuff in here. My simple skincare routine could never. This feels so luxurious. Oh my god. So moving on, number 16. We're almost there, guys. This is the Purefit Cyca powder from Cosrx. Cosrx, that's also very popular. What this seems to be doing is it's a multi-purpose Cyca powder that can be mixed in various skincare products to calm the skin. So I never heard of Cyca or Cyca, I don't know what it exactly is, but it's in more of these products and I think it's just like something that calms your skin. So it's a powder and you can mix it with your toner or your serum and it will help calm the skin. 17. Ooh, this one is heavy as well. 17 is a brightening sleeping mask, brightening and moisturizing special care from Yuya Niacin. Okay, it smells like a combination of something very healthy and lemon. Let's get number 18 out. Ooh, a lipstick! Urban Pulsation Velvet Lipstick from Klavu. Ooh, that's also a very well-known brand. Ooh, it's a nice, which shade is it? Marcella. It's like a nice burgundy. Is it burgundy? No, it's like a nice dark red. On to number 19. Ooh. Lip jelly. I mean lip jelly. This is so cute. Oh my god. I think it's like a lip moisturizer or like a lip gloss, but it has like these little hearts in here. Look how cute. Here's number 20. Moisturizing essence for dry skin, strengthens a weakened skin barrier, boosts hydration for skin. Oh my god, I think this is like a toner or a tonic and I love toners. Okay, this also feels very luxurious. Ooh, I'm excited to use this. I'm sorry if you guys are bored by now, but I'm just trying to show you guys all that there's in here. Next one is 21. So this looks very similar to the Mario Badescu spot treatment. I don't know if you guys know it, but you just concentrate this on, for example, if you have a breakout, you concentrate it on that and then you leave it on there for a bit and then it will kind of like dry out your spot. This looks very similar to that. I think it's the same. Oh, are these masks? These look like masks. Ooh, Neogen! Okay, these are sheet masks. I love using sheet masks every once in a while. 23. This is the Fidel Lumilayer Primer. Ooh, a primer! Ooh, this one is also feeling very luxurious. It's just a pump. Nice packaging. It's a pump. Lumilayer Primer. Definitely gonna try this one out before I apply my makeup. The last one, guys, 24. Oh, that's this one. The last thing in here. Oh. Okay, this is so nice. It's basically it's a face palette and it has contour, blush, and highlighter. Oh, I'm excited for the highlighters. One is called Starburst. It's like a white highlighter. It looks so good. Okay guys, we made it. We made it through all 24 products. And it's an awesome advent calendar. Honestly, I was surprised with quite a lot of the products that there were in here. Like, I wouldn't have thought that they would put that in here, and I'm super excited to try them out. And yeah, I hope you guys, one of you guys at least, can try these out as well. If you're interested in buying this yourself, I will also put a link down below in the description box. I think it's for pre-order right now, and in a week you can officially buy it. So yeah, Jet Set Glow. Thank you so much to YesStyle for sending me this. I can't wait to look glowy AF. So thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video as always. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!